Hello, I'm Wilma and I show you in this video how I make the wheels for my animals and also glaze. Here I have several sets of wheels. It is good to have something to choose from to look after the glaze firing what fits which animal. The hole in the wheel shouldn't be too small, then the treatment stage fits better, and if it's not quite centered, you just cover it up with a washer. And this applies to both the small and the large wheels. I will show the glazing on these red clay wheels. You have seen them already fired in the first shot of the video. First I look and decided what is the inside and what is the outside. That's how I lay them down. I then put a dot on the inside. With a double or triple glaze I know where I've already glazed. This glaze makes special effects on red and black clay. It's boring, therefore cut. We turn them over and glaze the outside and then the full surface. For firing you can string the wheels like beads. With the thinner or smaller ones it goes well, then with the larger and heavier ones it becomes very difficult and the metal gives way. It's incredibly boring again, it goes right on when it's done. Now they are done glazing, they need to dry nicely and then I will take them to the firing. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!